Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from PayPal faster. So first is you have to link a bank account or debit card. So before you can withdraw, you have to link either a bank account, this is for standard and instant transfers, and then or either a Visa or a MasterCard debit card for instant withdrawals. So you can do this via PayPal application or website, and then go to the wallet in here, and then you will see a link a bank or debit card. So you just have to tap on this one and then fill out all the information needed for you to link a bank account. Now is to use instant transfers. So this is the fastest option. So you have to open your PayPal, go to the wallet, and then tap on transfer money. And then you just have to choose transfer to your bank or transfer to card. And then you just have to select the instant transfer. So this one, it arrives in minutes. And just a note that instant transfers usually takes minute, and it can take up to 30 minutes as well. So PayPal charges a small fee, like for example 1.75% in the US, capped at $25. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can withdraw money from PayPal with the fastest option. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!